I just received great news, and I heard that we're in the finals of the 3DPC challenge.
Yay!
We are honored to be part of this exciting competition.
Hey, congrats!
It is an honor to be recognized for our work.
We are very happy to be in the finals.
Thank you.
We are excited being a part of
the 3D Pioneers Challenge.
Super excited. So happy.
Very excited and happy.
We are extremely happy.
Super happy.
We're ecstatic.
So thrilled.
Thank you very much.
I'm so stoked.
It's meant a lot of me.
We want to say thank you.
Thank you again.
Take a look.
Pushing boundaries.
Shipped off to Germany.
See you all in Erfurt.
See you in May.
Woo!
Fresh ideas, new projects, and young talents.
See you there.
See you there.